international cooperation and scientific exchange. Back to our mission assets. This is our Habitat rover, which will be the main vehicle for transporting astronauts and scientists and also large amounts of pressurized cargo. It is equipped with tools for repairing and maintaining critical components of the lunar base and will serve as a communication relay when in need for extending radio access range. We also have two pilotless vehicles that are designed to be semi-autonomous, working together, the Explorer and the Hopper. The Explorer rover will be equipped with terrain scanners and scientific tools for soil analysis. Its purpose being to explore scientific routes, leaving containers with samples for further experiments at the laboratories and at specific locations at the route where the hoppers will go and collect the samples and bring them to the main base. The hopper will navigate by making partial jumps in low elevation orbit to the container left by the rover and collect samples via a robotic arm. The main aspect of the hopper is that it is extremely mobile and does not get influenced by difficult terrain. We have also included for transportation of astronauts and research and scientists to and from the moon. We have rockets, which will be optimized depending on the specific mission and route. An intermediate transport vehicle will also initiate transfers between the lunar bases and the gateway for minimal cost, since launches from the moon to Earth and moon to Mars are more efficient than Earth launches due to the moon's weaker gravity. This is also one of our components, the human transport capsule, designed as a module of the Artemis orbit station. It serves the purpose of housing astronauts on longer travels and is also a module, one of the compartments on the orbital gateway. And finally, to link lunar tech to the bigger picture, we decided to utilize the orbital gateway as a core part of our mission assets. It represents the Artemis mission orbital lunar gateway, which is very important for further missions and building sustainable colonies on the moon. These are the features used in the technical execution of the project. We included the method we created for rotating objects based on quaternions that we developed during the previous year of Simulation Exploration Experience program. And we also, this year, developed our own specific pipeline for adapting 3D models to DOM. These are the tools that we used, mainly DOM, Photoshop, and Blender. Our visualization is inside of DOM, so I guess you will see it later. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you. Thanks. Let's go to the next team. UCF base operation.
Zakun?
Yes.
This is Damon. Do you know why that bar is appearing across the bottom with the timeline and that sort of thing? I don't think that's coming from my computer. I think it's elsewhere. And sometimes it blocks part of the slides. I'm trying to capture a few images for recording our event today.
Let me share the screen again. I don't know which bar you
It's the Teams bar showing the muting of the microphone and enabling the